Hey everyone, I'm Jay Goldfinger and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting haul. It's the season of giving and I decided to give myself some Gymshark goodies. Today I'm showing you what I picked up from Gymshark. I got 3 sweatshorts, 2 hoodies, and 1 sweatshirt. I got 3 sets in total, 1 purple, 1 beige, and 1 orange. I'm so excited to try these on and let's see if it's worth the hype. But before we get into it, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I do clothing hauls all the time. I'm gonna start with the beige hoodie. I believe this is the Heritage collection. Oh wow, it's super oversized. This is a size small. Oh my goodness, it's huge. I think I should have gone with the extra small, but we'll wait till I try it on. I don't know how this is gonna fit. Either way, it's gonna be super comfy. It's the winter season. And on the back, it says Gymshark Lifting Club. Looking just at the tag, this is 80% cotton, 20% recycled polyester. What I like about buying cotton clothes, and particularly this one because it's 80% cotton, that it's breathable. So cotton is a very breathable material. So if I'm sweating, I'm gonna get that airflow, and it's also gonna trap all the moisture because it's gonna soak it all up. So if I'm sweating, it's gonna make sure that I keep myself dry. I believe polyester or polyester blend, it's a synthetic fiber, but it keeps your clothes looking very durable. And I really do like that it's mostly cotton because I'm very conscious about what I put on my body. It's the Heritage washed hoodie, size small, oversized fit, desert beige acid. It's super quick and easy to take the tag off. It's just looped around. Let's open up the matching shorts I got with this, or for this. Everything came packaged in this plastic bag, and it's super easy to just lift up, take out, toss over there. These are the shorts. They have the Gymshark logo right here. And these are the Power Wash 2.0 5-inch short, size small, in the color Desert Beige Acid. So this matches up the hoodie perfectly. Yeah, and it has a drawstring so you could tighten it even more. It's loose, looks stretchy. There's a quality control on it. All right, I'll try this on with the hoodie in a little bit. We're starting off with the beige hoodie, and this is a size small. It looks like a large, but let's throw it on and see how it fits. The sleeve lengths are perfect for me, being a size small. Again, I'm 170 pounds and I'm 5'7", so this fits perfect. Definitely downsize if you're getting anything oversized from Gymshark. I'm usually a medium with their regular fits, but this is perfect. Alright, let's throw on the shorts. Alright, I threw on the shorts. Again, the Gymshark logo is on the left side. I love this fit. Moving on to the next one. This one I'm also excited for because I don't have anything like this. It's purple. And I believe this is a hoodie. I got 2 hoodies and 1 sweatshirt. Oh, this is the sweatshirt. So everything I got was from the Heritage collection. This is a Heritage washed crew, size small, oversized fit, purple. I guess when they say oversized at Gymshark, they mean oversized because this looks huge. The back, it's the same as the other one where it says Gymshark Lifting Club. And it has the logo in the front. Let's move on to the next piece of clothing, which is the matching shorts. Power Wash 5-inch shorts, size small, oversized fit, purple. It's very soft, purple color. Let's try that on and see how it fits. Size small, oversized fit. I like that it has this scrunch material, so like even though it's oversized, like it still stays on your waist. So it's pretty cool. This is with the beige shorts. Let's throw on the purple shorts to get the full view of the set. These are the purple shorts on. They have the logo on the left side. I feel very comfortable in this. It's very cozy. It's very soft. I like the color. I think it's something different. There's not many gym clothes for men that are purple, so absolutely jumped on that. I like sets also because they're very easy. You don't really have to think of an outfit when you go to the gym. You just throw on something that you know is gonna look good together. Put some Converse on or your gym shoes. I have Converse and Nikes. Let's move on to the last outfit. Moving on to the last set, which is the orange set. I'm gonna start with the hoodie. Let me read the bag actually. It says, we've made this bag from minimum 30% post-consumer recycled waste. That's awesome. They're really trying to better the environment. I feel better shopping from them when I know that they're making an effort to minimize the plastic use and save the earth. And this is a heritage washed hoodie, size small, oversized fit, brown. I thought this was orange. It looks orange, but I guess it is brown, and I really like it because I'm really into neutrals. Alright, the last item for my haul. Power Wash 2.0 5-inch short, size small, oversized fit, brown. 5 inches steam. Gymshark logo on the left leg. Let's throw this on. Alright, I'm throwing on the brown Heritage Power Washed oversized hoodie. Did you catch the Gymshark winter sale? And if you did, or if you didn't, did you get anything for Christmas from Gymshark? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Happy holidays.